Hey everybody, come on in and let's do some crafting. For this first craft, it's going to be fun and it's going to be easy. I've got this Dollar Tree little box that looks like a house, and I'm going to paint it in this forest green color. I'm going to paint it all over. I'm going to paint it on the inside, the outside. It's going to be painted green. This is a pretty easy project. It's just painting a little box that looks like a house, so anybody can do this. And your kids can help you too if you want them to. And there it is, all painted. Now I'm just going to decorate it. I have some little like ivory color brush Christmas trees. And I'm just going to use my glue gun and glue them into this cute little greenhouse. So you just need a little bit of glue. You're going to pop it into the house. And then I have this cute little snowman. And I got these at Hobby Lobby. They came in a package. I can't remember. There were probably maybe 6 of them, 4 or 6 of them. And they were half price, so maybe $2.50. They had Santa Claus. They had the little snowman. And then I got these wreaths also. These, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby also. And I'm just going to glue this to the top of the house. I'm also going to add some snow at the bottom. And I got my snow from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree snow has a lot of little shiny glitter in it. And then Hobby Lobby has snow and it's not as glittery as the Dollar Tree. And then if you want to, you can use Epsom salt, which has no glitter in it, and it looks like snow. And then I'm going to use this little jar of Snow Tex that I had. I've had it for years. I've never really used it. And I'm going to put some snow on the top of the house. You can still get this at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, I believe. But it's a little soft and it does dry really hard. And look how cute that looks. Just a simple little project that you can add maybe to some of your Christmas decorations. You can give it as a gift maybe. It's just simple and cute. If you wanted to decorate the brushed trees, you can probably get some beads that you make bracelets with and just put a little dot of glue on it and decorate your trees. You can even get those tiny little berries that you get off of those florals and put those on there too. So many cool ideas to just dress up a little house. The next DIY is so cool, and it is like I'm using the candlesticks again, and I'm using one of the snow globes that you get from Dollar Tree. I'm taking this glitter gold brush tree, I'm gluing it to the lid, and I had to take it off, to be honest with you, and take it outside and spray paint it gold because my daughter suggested that. So I was like, oh, okay, let me do that. That's why the glue gun's good, because you can pop it right back off. So then Dollar Tree has these little candles, and in them they have these little crystals with them. The little candle itself, it's like a little LED light, and it changes colors. It comes in a package and it has these little crystals with it. So I opened 2 packages of that, took the crystals out of it because I thought it looked like ice crystals, and I put it in the snow globe and I glued it to the base of the gold candlestick that I painted, or I actually spray painted it outside as I did with the lid. So I spray painted the candlestick and the lid, and then as you put it together, it is so pretty. It's just a simple little decorations that turns out very, very cute. And it does look like little crystals in the bottom of the snow globe. And I'm gluing this just with a glue gun because, you know, you can take these apart after Christmas if you want to use them for Easter or some other DIY. I love the way this one turned out. It's just so cute. Simple but cute. And easy. Very easy. I know sometimes it's good to have the 5-minute easy crafts, because if you work all day, you come home, you want to make something, you don't have to spend all night making it. So I think this one turned out so cute. And it's quite elegant and classy looking. I mean, if you wanted to, you could, you know, tie a ribbon around it. You can add your own little touch. But these are really cute. I hope you will subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell, because it would help our channel a lot. And I do thank you and appreciate when you do that. You make my heart just be so, you know, filled with joy. And I love that. And that's the first DIY that I did. And then again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and then hit the like button, notification bell, share with your family and friends, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.